Guys, this is Namasvi. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this glossy dewy makeup look which I did for my farewell. Now starting with the skincare, I have kept it clean and simple by using just two products from Bioderma, and another reason why I just used two products is because I was too late. As you guys can see, I've already cleansed my skin to have a dirt-free base. Now next I'm using a moisturizer for hydration and to prep my skin for makeup. This moisturizer is so good. I can say it's a staple in my skincare routine since a long time now. Also it has niacinamide, which is my favorite ingredient. You just cannot step out of your house without sunscreen, so using SPF is mandatory, and I'm using this Dot&Key vitamin C sunscreen, which is extremely lightweight, easily blends and doesn't even leave a white cast. Now what else do we need? Moving on to the makeup. First step is foundation. I am using a pump from my most favorite drugstore foundation by K Beauty. I guess I'm in the shade 145N. It's just perfect for fresh and healthy skin base for your makeup. Also it has a very dewy finish, so if you have dry skin, my god, this is a blessing. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but I am putting a thin layer of the foundation and I am blending it. I forgot color correcting, so I will be doing some jugaad here and using e.l.f.'s concealer as my color corrector, which has orange undertones in it, and then covering it up with the same foundation because I just don't want to cake it up. Next, I will be setting my base wherever I sweat a lot, basically the whole face, to blur out my pores and textures if any. For the blush we have coral and berry. I think I'm gonna go with berry. Did you guys just see the color? Oh my god, I think I'm just obsessed with how it turned out. I have never ever tried a berry blush in my entire life, and I think it's viral for a reason. Especially this product, I think it's so underrated. It also blended out so well. Now my favorite step, which is highlighter. This one is just subtle and blinding and everything. I'm just very happy with my highlighter today. The mascara I'll be using today is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and forgive me if I make some weird faces while applying it because that's just an adat which is never gonna change. To set my makeup, I am using PAC setting spray. This is literally the best setting spray in the whole drugstore world. Also, I've seen many makeup artists use this and it's worth every single penny. Last step is lipstick. This one's from K Beauty. I think the name is Rumour. This one's very light brown mauvey shade, just how I like it. That's it everyone. Bye. I'm gonna go wash the stain right away.
Vlog बनाए